Is your Windows operating system reporting the Sndvolsso Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we get into the technical process for Sndvolsso library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Sndvolsso library, the sound volume SSO library. It manages the localized UI rendering and localized event handling for the system volume mixer and the localized tray-based audio sliders, mandatory for localized system audio control. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Sndvolsso is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Sndvolsso library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Sndvolsso Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Sndvolsso library environment. If Sndvolsso library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.